welcome to our new ukulele tutorial for the song Your Love. So now grab your uke and make sure it's in standard tuning G, C, E, A. And for the chords that we're gonna use for this song are G, we have D, we have C, and E minor. And para naman sa chord progression ng verse, we have G, D, and C. And for the strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do this with me saying the chords and the strumming pattern. So let's go to G, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, kung napansin nyo, hinati natin yung strumming pattern sa unang lyrics. So, by the way, kapag nakita nyo sa screen yung dalawang slash sa gilid ng isang chord, meaning to say, hahatiin natin yung strumming pattern. So, let's do this again with me saying the chords. So it goes like this: G, D, G, D, and C. And ngayon kantahin naman natin siya. You're the one that never let me sleep. G, through my mind, and D, through my soul. You see, touch my lips. G, you're the one that I can't wait to see. When you're here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. And para naman sa post-chorus, the chord progression that we're gonna use is, we have E minor, D, and C with the same strumming pattern. And it goes like this. So, pares lang po siya sa verse. Magkaiba nga lang po ng chord. So again, let's do this with me singing the lyrics. Let's go to E minor. I'm all alone without you. Days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Down, 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 your love. And now for the chorus, ang chords na gagamitin natin ay G, D, E minor, and C. And it sounds like this: G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, and C. Kantahin naman natin siya. Let's go to G. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my vein. I feel the chill inside. And para naman po sa interlude, ang gagamitin nating chords ay G, D, and C with the same strumming pattern. And it sounds like this. papunta sa second verse. with the same chords and the same strumming pattern. Every time I hear music plays, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true. G, but in my heart, and the reality is C, U. And balik ulit tayo sa post-chorus, and after that, let's go to the chorus. With this, and sa post-chorus and sa chorus, parehas lang yung sa strumming pattern and chords na tinuro ko kanina. And that is our ukulele tutorial for today. I hope may natutunan kayo, and I'll see you to our next ukulele tutorial, and God bless you po.